Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Precious, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make a sugar and coffee scrub at home using only 3 ingredients that you probably have in your kitchen. Now before we get started guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, comment under my videos and share my videos. It will really help my channel to grow. Okay guys, so the 3 ingredients that you are gonna need are: number 1, brown sugar. You can use any brown sugar of your choice. I personally prefer to use coconut sugar because it has smaller granules and therefore dissolves faster on your face. The number 2 ingredient that you're gonna need is coffee. Any granulated coffee of your choice will do. And the number 3 ingredient that you're gonna need is olive oil. I recommend you use pure olive oil or pomade olive oil instead of the olive oil that's mixed with other oils like canola oil. What I love about this sugar and coffee scrub is that it has so many benefits to your skin. Number 1, what it does is that it exfoliates your skin, meaning that it removes the outer layer of dead skin cells. It will gently encourage cell turnover and bring a new healthier skin to the surface. It will help give you an even skin tone. It will moisturize your skin with the olive oil. The coffee is rich in antioxidants. It will make your skin smooth and bright. It enhances circulation. It reduces the puffy eyes. It brightens the skin and gives you a glowing skin. The scrub is that you wash your face first, leave it wet, and then just apply the magic and scrub it all over your face. Thank you guys for watching until the end. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Help my channel grow. Bye.